What do you know about trends? Generally, there are three trends in the forex market depending on the market condition and momentum. An uptrend draws a picture of currency prices movement upward over a while and describes that the overall sentiment in the market is bullish. Technically, an uptrend consists of a series of higher highs and higher lows. And it is shaped when there is a sustained increase in the price of a currency pair over a while. Unlike an uptrend, during a downtrend, there is sustained decline in the price of the currency pair over a while. This means that the currency pair is consistently trending at lower levels. A downtrend is categorized by a series of lower highs and lower lows, describing an overall bearish sentiment in the market. A sideways trend in forex, also known as range-bound market or horizontal trend, represents a situation when a series of similar highs and lows may categorize the currency pair's price. That's all about the different types of forex trends. However, our forex stories don't end here. Click the subscribe button for more videos and comment on your favorite forex topic. We'll cover it as soon as possible if we haven't.